recording the session. Okay. Hello, Suresh sir. Namaste, sir. Okay, so let's begin. Warm welcome to Mudra Healing class. So this is the first batch, that we are conducting, session on Mudra Healing. Okay. So my mom is an expert, so she is the one who's going to conduct this session. So she's yoga expert and an expert in acupressure as well, expert in diagnosing and everything. So yeah, so special welcome to my mom, who is an expert. So yes, so she will be conducting the session on mudra. Okay, and then later on we'll connect again. Okay, so yeah, over to you, ma. Yes.
Ma'am.
Namaste.
Namaste, Gayatri ma'am.
I request everyone to switch on their camera so that we can see each other. Imagine that, not imagine, just think this is offline session. So as usual, from Sadhana Kendra, it will be an interaction session, isn't it? So let us interact by face to face. Please switch on your cameras. Okay. Okay, the next upcoming classes will be on mudras. So the combination is mudra, pranayama, dhyan. MPD, mudra, pranayama, and dhyan. It is a complementary wellness technique. So we won't tell to stop any medicines, those who are under medications. So it is a complementary. If we can say it is supplementary to balance the energy system in the body. So how many of you are aware of mudras? Just raise your hand. Yes. Rekha ji and others? No one has heard about mudras? Yes, Divya. Okay. What are mudras?
Actually, mudras are the posture and gesture of our hands. We use for.
Yes, that is what the dictionary or the Google, YouTube says, isn't it? So it is let us come to that point only. It is the gesture or the position of the hands. Okay, others? Rekha ji, will you tell something about mudras? What you have heard or known?
Yeah, it's same thing.
Okay.
It represents 5 elements and connecting each one.
What are pranayama?
That is a breathing technique.
Breathing technique. What is dhyan or meditation? What is meditation?
Meditation. Concentrating on something, on one thing.
Concentrating on something. Okay, either the subject or the object. So we are combining 3 of these important points: mudra, pranayama, dhyana. So if you are new to this mudra, the word mudra, just I'll ask you: have you seen any mudras anywhere?
Yes.
Any mudras? Where?
Actually, we have seen in the online and TV sondal, ma'am. They will show do this, do that for these reasons.
Okay, okay. Again, it is mudra classes, okay, or mudra reels, okay. But have you ever seen this mudra? This is called chin mudra.
Jnana mudra.
Jnana mudra, chin mudra.
Meditation we are doing.
Okay. Have you ever seen this mudra?
Anjali mudra.
Yes.
Anjali mudra, namaskara mudra. Okay. Have you ever seen this kind of mudra? Have you ever used?
No.
No, while discussing, while commenting others, no, we show no, they both are become. What does it mean?
They are together now. Like it's symbols.
Together, no. There are something misunderstood here, like this.
Okay.
Okay. Have you ever seen the symbol, this one? Centuries.
Yes.
Yes,
Marriage,
ma'am. In marriages,
Marriage.
we hold that.
Yes. Means unknowingly, we are using all those gestures or the position of the fingers, position of the hands. Mudras are the energy balancing systems, are it is indicating something. Okay, our fingers, our hands and legs are extension of the brain. Especially our hands are the important tools for the brain function. So by treating, by touching, by feeling, by giving some command with the power of the mind, we can balance many imbalance in the body, or we can stable the functions of the mind. Nowadays, many people are suffering not physically, it's mentally, isn't it? So, what is pranayama? Pranayama is a breathing exercise. Are we breathing
Yes.
from from how long we are breathing?
From birth.
From the day
From
one, we are
from birth, from birth till
before birth.
namaste. Namaste, Vidyaji. From birth till
Death.
Till death.
death. It is life force. It is a vitality. It is a cosmic energy which is connecting Jivatma with Paramatma. But we can't see that breathing energy, our vital energy, our cosmic energy. Can we see? But we can feel, isn't it? But from birth, we are utilizing that energy. And is there any method to breathe? Have you learned anywhere? How to breathe? Is there any technique, proper technique to breathe? No. Because
No.
our parents have not taught us, uh, our teachers have not taught us. We are breathing just automatically to survive, isn't it? There is a technique. If there is any improper technique or a system in our breathing, no, it leads to many deficiencies or creating many illness in our body. So we are going to learn what is pranayama and many techniques of pranayama and meditation. How many of you are here, those who are meditating? Just raise your hand. No one? Okay. Ansuya, Divya, okay. Okay. Is there any benefits? But
Yes, ma'am.
nowadays, many
Yes,
doctors will also suggest to meditate. For what?
yes,
To calm the mind,
Calm
yes.
the mind. And
to
nowadays, it is relaxed.
feel relaxed. Okay. What happens once we are, if we are suffering from restlessness?
So many
Our
side effects are
So
there.
many.
So we are the one
How
our
who
many
are
of
breath
you
going
want
for
peace? How many of you want peace or calmness?
everyone.
Everyone
Everyone
wants.
wants.
Everyone wants, isn't it? Uh, are we failing to feel that state of mind? Are we failing? Why? Is it improper breathing or body condition or what it is? Maybe combination of. Please don't send
No, both.
messages privately. You can chat. You can send it to everyone so that host will check and they will reach you to answer. Okay. See, coming to mudra once again. See, this is Anjali mudra. Is what happens if we join the palm? What happens? Can we do
No idea.
practical so that to let us not believe blindly, isn't it? Let us not sit straight, sit straight, keep your back straight, push your shoulder back, forget everything for a while, forget everything and forget everyone. Okay, just join the palm, push your shoulder back, Close your eyes. Don't pray anything. Just observe your breathing. Gentle pressure on both the palm, touching each other. And observing your own breath. Slowly breathe in and slowly breathe. Slowly open your eyes. Bring down your hands. So, what did you feel?
Both the hands energy were exchanging from right to left, and some flow of energy was.
She was exchanging. Okay. Can we say that it is creating something? Isn't it? No, it reduces the
Some
burden.
disturbance is there. Some disturbance is there.
Suresh ji?
Yeah.
Suresh ji,
Please, some
please.
calmness.
It reduces the burden of the heart and mind. Okay, all the nerve endings will end at the palm. So it will give a command to the mind to pay attention. Just by that feeling itself, it reduces all other thoughts. Okay, now there are many types of mudras. Let us check. Join the tip of the thumb and the index. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Don't think anything. Just touch the tip of the finger and the index finger. Place it on your knees. Slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out. Observe your breathing. Now, without opening your eyes, change the finger. Join the tip of the thumb and middle finger. Tip of the middle finger and the thumb tip. Observe the breathing. Find out if there is any changes when compared by joining the tip of the thumb with the index. Is there any difference? We are joining tip of the middle finger with the thumb. Now slowly change. Now join the tip of the thumb with the tip of the ring finger. You are breathing as usual by focusing on your breath. But something is changing when we are shifting the fingers. I want you to find out by yourself. Now change. Lastly, join the tip of the small finger with the thumb. Is it the same? or any changes? If you are feeling any changes, just note it. We will repeat. Now, slowly shift your thumb tip with the index finger. Slowly change with the middle fingertip. Let your back be straight. Push your shoulder back. Now change with the ring finger. Lastly, thumb tip with the small fingertip. Slowly open your eyes. Release the fingers. Was it the same or any difference? Who will be the first to reply? It will be better if we interact.
Breathing variations are there. While we
Were you
breathe,
able to find out?
in middle finger, I used to breathe a little bit heavier.
Oh, okay. With the others?
In Varun Mudra, I was feeling much better and calm.
Okay. Others?
I felt at the last of holding all the mudras, I got pain on my palm, little bit
Okay.
of pain
But I
because it was
didn't
the
tell
first
you
time.
I didn't tell you to join all the fingers, right? I told you to join the tip of the thumb with the tip of the small finger, and we were just shifting.
Okay, I did wrong then.
Okay, okay. Anyhow, that is also one mudra. This is called a samana mudra. Okay, it is a wonderful pranayama. Sorry, a mudra with pranayama. I mean to say is each finger has different energies. Our body is made up of five elements: Prithvi, Jal, Agni, Vayu, Akash. And each tattva or each energies are the indicators of our fingers. For example, this is our fire energy thumb. Fire energy. Our thumb is fire element and index is Vayu. This is of Akasha Tattva. This is of Prithvi Tattva. And this is our Jala Tattva. I hope everybody were able to notice the difference while we were shifting. Am I right? How many of you didn't feel any difference? Please raise, you can raise the hand. Yes. What is the name? Akila. Okay. I think just repeat Akila. Akila ji. Join the tip of the middle finger. Okay. With the thumb tip. For example, this is of Akasha Tattva, no? Our mind becomes calm. Restlessness will automatically relax for a while. Now shift with the tip of the ring finger, with the tip of the thumb tip. When I was observing Vijayaji, okay, her breath changed like anything. She was breathing normally. As soon as I told her to shift to this mudra, no, I have not I have not told the name of this mudra. She was doing like this. Why it happened so, Vijayaji? Don't know. Because this is Prithvi Tattva, which is the balancing of the function of the stomach and spleen. I think you have
I
stomach
felt
deficiency.
I
Yes,
felt
yes. That is
downwards going like that. That's what the
very
difference
good.
I observed.
Okay. So if we join this two fingertips, so this is called which mudra is this? Sorry, which energy finger is this?
Fire
Vayu.
and wind, Vayu.
Okay. This is the best mudra for thoracic region, heart and lungs functions. Okay. When we join the tip of the middle finger with the thumb tip, becomes the Akasha Mudra, best benefits for brain functions. And which all department is there here, no? Concentration, memory power, judging, distinguishing, recalling the memories, everything. Okay? And this is the, see, tip of the ring finger with the thumb. Best mudra for stomach related or metabolic disorders. And the last one, this one. Best function for the water imbalance disorders, including the diabetes, water retention in the body, kidney functions. Now, this is of the fire element, air element, Akasha element, Prithvi element, Jala element. Okay, so we have 10 fingers, isn't it? How many mudras are there? N number of mudras are there. How it can be possible? We can think, we can ask, no? When we have 10 fingers, how many of, how it can be n number of mudras? For example, I'll ask you one question. How many numbers are there? How many numbers are there? 9 or 10? 9. 9 or 10? Think and tell. Unmute, Swati. You are telling something. Unmute.
It's 10.
10. Okay. But how many numbers we can make it from 10 numbers? From basic 10 numbers, how many numbers we can create?
You can create
Countless.
n number.
N
Countless.
numbers. In the same way, when we combine or when we mix the other energies in proper way, we can create multiple energies. So these are not just fingers. Without fingers, brain can't function properly. Because this is the karmendriyas. These are the sensory accessories of the brain. So, which gives the information to the brain. It is hot, it is cold, it is soft. Whatever the brain sends the messages to any, no, just we will act through the hand. That is, fingers will help, no? Just in the same way, whatever we combine the energies, no, it gives the command to the brain to shift the energy, to change the energy, to create the energy. So here our mind plays an important role. So what is mind? What is mind? It is an invisible energy in our body system. Can we live without mind? Can we live? Just think. Can we live? Have you ever seen the person who don't have the mind? Please talk something, no? We have given the chance. Have you ever seen the person without mind?
No, ma'am.
Our confusion question. Question is creating confusion.
Everybody will be having the mind, but some people will be abnormal with the mind. That is a different part. But some people will be using their mind. So they have lots of difference how we use our mind according
It
to
is
our needs.
how we are utilizing. The mind is an invisible energy. Without mind, our fingers can't move. Even the mad person has the mind power, but he is failing to control or utilize in a proper way. We might have not seen the person without mind function, but we have heard. We can give one example, the coma patient, or we have seen in the movies. The actor or whoever the person will be in a coma state, but everyone will be eagerly waiting for the response of any changes in the body. Once they start to move the fingers, they will be very happy, no? What does it mean? They are getting their consciousness. When the person was unconscious, though he was under medication, if he opens the eyes or if they move the fingers, that they will think that our treatment is responding. Body has started reacting to the treatment. So what I mean to say is, importantly, mind plays a important role for mudras or for meditation. But it is an invisible energy. We can't see, we can't touch, but we can feel. Isn't it? In the same way, while meditating also, though you are doing a Saguna meditation or Nirguna meditation, it gives a great impact on the function of the mind. As I told earlier, nowadays many people are suffering from psychosomatic diseases. Body systems are getting upset by our lifestyle or by our stress. I think everyone are aware of this issue, isn't it? By stress, by fear, by restlessness, by anxiety, by depression. How it starts, depression or anxiety? Can anybody tell me what is depression? What is
Depression is
depression?
nothing but thinking the same thing over and over to get
No,
disturbed ourselves.
suppression of our thoughts or feelings. Depression is a suppression of our thoughts and feelings. In short, we are not discussing as a biology subject here. Generally, as a common layman, we are trying to understand. But each and everyone are using these words. No, they are under depression. I am going to depression, isn't it? What is anxiety? In general, what is anxiety?
Like
Is
getting angry, feeling
no,
angriness, anxiety.
no. Anxiety is fear of unknown. Fear of unknown. So if you start meditating, your mind will give the clarity of your problem. And with the help of the mind power only, you can be stable. Once you are succeed to be stable, our mind will get the technique how to get out of these problems. For that, these simple techniques, mudras will help a lot. For example, pranayama, just the main thing is inhalation and exhalation is two steps of pranayama. But we don't know whether we are breathing properly or not. Let us check. Keep your palm on the stomach, on the abdomen. Sit straight, please. Keep your palm on the abdomen. Slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out. Slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out. Slowly open your eyes. How many of you are able to feel the movement of the abdomen forward and backward? Okay, those who have switched on the cameras, they are responding. Good. Thanks for responding. Now, again, I'll ask you one question. While you are inhaling, how the movement is? Either it is forward or backward. While inhaling, how it is moving? Backward or forward?
Forward.
Backward and then
Forward.
Somebody told backward. Don't
Backward.
get
It is
confused.
forward.
Backward. Divya
Backward.
is telling backward. Others are telling forward. Okay. Now there are only two steps. No, it has to go forward or it has to go backward. Now, which one is correct?
So it is
Actually,
forward.
Huh?
When while inhaling,
No,
inhaling
our
will be
stomach should come forward. Why? I'll give you one example. If you take a balloon, okay, before blowing, how the shape of the balloon will be? It will be flat, isn't it? When you start blowing, air will fill the balloon, and how it changes the shape? It will blow, isn't it? What happens if we do not allow the balloon to blow?
it will be
What
in the
will
same
happen? But we are giving extra pressure, no? Waste of energy. In the same way, while we are inhaling, we should allow our stomach to go like a balloon. While we breathe out, what happens when we remove the air from the balloon? What happens?
it goes backward.
Backward means it will become flat, isn't it? In the
Back.
same way, our stomach should become flat, means it goes backward. So, what happens if someone is breathing and while breathing in, stomach is going backward, means they will lack the energy system. It creates many illness related to abdomen region. Either it may be lower abdomen or the metabolic system. Because if we didn't breathe, we know we can't survive. Means breathing is very, very important. That is called as prana shakti or vital energy in science. So, when we are not allowing this prana shakti to the abdomen region, it will lack the energy, isn't it? Now, Divya, I will request you to join the tip of the ring finger with the thumb tip. Now, check your breathing. Automatically, everybody can check. Automatically, the pranic energy flows more towards the stomach region. Maybe, may not be. You can cross check, okay? Now, immediately change the tip with the index finger. As soon as finger changes, no, by this finger, the prana shakti is moving towards heart and lungs. Again, change with the ring finger. You can feel it easily.
Yes, ma'am.
So, this is the effect of simple technique, health in our hands. Okay, so one more technique to enhance the breathing power, to get more vital energy, just with the tip of the index finger, give a massage at the tip of the nostril in forward direction, a reverse, stop. Now with the left hand index finger on the left nostril, give a massage, a reverse. Now check your breathing. Is there any change? Swati is laughing. May I know the reason?
So something it's like clear. My breath
Yes.
is so clear.
What we didn't even do fast and forced breathing, which is called as Nasikadoti. We didn't do just the
Yes.
simple technique. So the passage, the highway of the vital energy. So by simple technique, we can utilize many energies, or we can get rid of many problems. So we are planning for this program, that is Mudra Pranayama meditation. So the classes will be on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Pooja will inform you the timings and everything. So let us not believe blindly, as in today's session. I think you all experienced by this. What happens? What happens? Hmm?
Heart and
Energy,
mind becomes energy exchange, and heart
energy,
and mind becomes calm.
energy. Yeah. But remember, it reduces the burden of the heart and mind. Okay. And with the different fingertips, we can create and we can connect to the energy systems. Okay, one more mudra in dance also, in Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi and Kathak and all, they will use different kind of mudras, isn't it? So each mudra means something, but we are not aware. But this is not just the position of the. Sorry, there was an important call, so I just said. So, in other field, mudra is used in currency also. Nowadays, though we are not actually using as mudras, but we have the seal, isn't it, on the notes, on the coins. So, in ancient histories, we have seen that they used to tell Swarna Mudra, which has some values. Mudra has some values, not some value, great values. But we have to connect with that. So mudra is a science, though it is scientifically not proven yet. But our Rishi Munis has given this treasure to us. But very sad and feels sometimes bad that we are not adopting, and all these kind of knowledge is moving backward from us. So let us get in touch with these kind of knowledge which is given by our Rishi Munis and all. It is up to us to utilize and to be healthy and happy. So I will be telling the health and happiness is the birthright of a person. What do you say? But
Yes.
we are making it complicated by comparing, by misunderstanding, by not balancing, by not maintaining our life in a proper way. So we are lacking the mind power nowadays, isn't it? So we are here to help you. Oh, that is what I want to say. Now you can ask any doubts or questions regarding to these points, what we try to share. Any doubts? Any questions? No questions? Okay. Oh, over to Pooja. I think
Hello?
she's
Yes.
another. Okay,
Hi,
she is
hi.
back.
Yeah, so welcome back.
Oh, sweetie. Oh, sweetie. Oh, sweetie. Oh, 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 oh.
Hello. Yes. So how was the session? Yes. Hope you all enjoyed. Yes. Okay. Fine. So yeah. So as usual, having one session. Pratibha, you are asking something? Okay. So we'll be having one basic class. It's a 3-day event, starting from Thursday onwards. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I will let you know the timing, 5 to 6 or 6 to 7 onwards. Okay. And the fee is going to be $299. So those who are interested, you can join it. Okay. So I will keep you posted regarding the content, timing, and everything. Okay. So yes, that's it. Okay. So any questions, any doubts, you can let me know.
Mom told it's on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Like that.
Yeah.
Sorry, sorry. It
It's
will be on Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So any doubts, you can let me know. Any questions, any doubts? And yeah, also color numerology is going to start from Tuesday. Vijayalakshmi ji and few of them have already registered. Color numerology level 2. So we'll be discussing about many things, like selling a property, how to buy property, and so all these advanced concepts, theory, practicals, and we'll be talking more about the healing symbol as well. Okay, so yeah, so those are interested, you can let me know. So yeah,
Pooja, is this online or offline class?
it's online
Color
session.
numerology, both color numerology and mudra class, both online. Okay.
Yes, both are online session.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, so that's it. Take care, everyone, and see you in the next session. Okay. Take care. Namaste. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yes, yes. Welcome.